Hello and welcome to VLearn Virtual Learning Network. This is session 26, Administrative Theories, Communication. Topics to be covered: Introduction, Meaning and Definition, Elements of Communication System, Elements of Communication, Types of Communication, Media of Communication, Factors inhibiting communication. Meaning and definition. So yes, basically in this session we will going to discuss about the communication, what exactly communication, why it is necessary in organization. If you talk about the communication, it is one of the very essential element in the organization and basically considered to be performed well in the organization, required actually. With an organization without communication cannot work, or we can say that the performance of the organization hindrance to a very level, and it is always affects the organization to the extent. So this is always required to have a good communication and good procedure of the communication in the organization. If we talk about the communication, and if we know that it is one of the very essential principle and very essential concept of the organization, so it is one of the main principle, it is one of the main concept of organization. Now what exactly the communication is? It is basically to convey your ideas, your thoughts to others. So it has been considered as an effective tool also, because without conveying your ideas, without conveying your opinions, your thinking, things are not being implemented well. Apart from implemented, it is not understood at the same time. It is not worthy. If you not convey it, your talk is not worthy, your concept is not worthy. So make it worthy, it is always required to convey them. So in that case, yes, that is why in organization it is taken as a very effective tool for achieving the goals, to achieve the goals, to perform the goals. It is one of the very effective one, and it is one of the thing which is required also. And yes, at the same time, all the organization may be small or big, simple or complex, general or technical,